When I took this apart, all the thick wood around this area was all dry and not affected by any water. But it was only this outer layer, it's like a thin skin, about 3mm thick, so I just replaced that part. And now, while I was on my trip, I saw this leaking water here, so I've got to clean this up now and see where the extra water comes from. I just assumed it was from having a shower, water going behind the curtain into this rail and then getting through at the back in here. But it seems not to be, but I can't feel anything here at the top on that side. So anyway, I'll strip that out now. And just to do a test to see where it's leaking, got the hose pipe running here, and it's pretty strong, spraying on the window here. Got new pieces of wood cut and glued together, just clamped in position to get the exact shape. Nearly there. I've put dowels in to connect these two, same on the other side, and glued all of this stuff together. So I've just clamped it to get the shape correct, and when the glue is dry I'll disassemble it and then come here and cut. This whole exercise I did, I have now realized and worked out that the wood on the inside here that was wet was because of the water going past the curtain, and it was from the inside and not from leaking from the outside. So I didn't have any wood rot, the wood was just wet, so I got to it in time, and then anyway I've replaced all the wood, so nearly done. Just putting the skin on, and then I can put the window back in again and paint. Alkaline cold glue to glue that whole panel in, and then I used the alkaline light fill to fill in all the way around there, and I've smoothed it off, and now I can do the painting. After I did the patch, I painted that patch with aqua shield, and I also did the corners just to make 100% sure that it's waterproof. I'm just covering the aqua shield now, and now I'm doing the coat, white coat, in the shower. I put PU sealant all the way around the frame before I pushed it in, and then clamped it in, left it like that for 2 days before I took the inside off to finish off now on the inside. I'm done with the painting, all the painting is done, and putting 2 beads of PU all around the frame. I've reinstalled the frame now, so I hope that will do the trick with the frame being sealed on outside and on the inside.